Hi, for this fun activity you can use any container, any plastic containers that you have in your recycling bin. The most important thing is that they are three different shapes. And remember, you're going to fill them up with water. It is entirely optional to color the water, you don't have to do that. But I hope you have fun and I can't wait to see what you do in Class Dojo. In this video, we are going to check the capacity of these three containers, plastic containers. I'm going to use a funnel, a tray to avoid messes, a marker. And I have already filled up these two containers with water, and I used some food coloring to color it blue. Now I have a short container and a tall skinny container. I'm gonna check to see which one has more, which the capacity of both, but I want to check out which container has more water in it, and I'm gonna use this container to measure it. So I am emptying the water in the third container. I'm waiting for it to fill up. And now I'm going to use a white marker to mark where the water level is. Have to wait for the water to quiet down. Be still. I'm making my mark. Alright, there it is, white, and I can see it clearly. And I'm going to return the water to its original container, and you can see that it filled it up perfectly. Good, I put the lid on it and put it aside. Now I'm going to check the skinny tall container. Okay, I'm trying to be careful because I don't want to make a mess. And I'm going to empty completely this tall skinny plastic bottle. And wow, the water level is almost the same, which means that they almost have the same amount of water in them. Even though one is tall and the other one is short, they almost have the same level of water. So I'm gonna make a second mark, and you can see that this one is a teeny tiny bit higher. So the skinny tall container has just a little bit more water than the short container. Okay, now I am going to return the water, and you are going to see that it's going to fill it up to the top. So it's interesting, even though this container doesn't get all the way full, and you can see that the water is not as tall, the level is not as tall. In this skinny container, the water filled up no problem, and they almost have the same capacity of water, but the skinny container, the skinny tall one, has more. You can see the white mark there, it's just a teeny tiny bit more water. Okay, so this is your homework for Class Dojo. You're gonna make me a picture of the two containers that you compare. And remember, we are checking capacity, how much you can hold inside each container. So I already draw the short container. It looks more like a square, and the other one is skinny and it looks more like a rectangle. So one hole less, and this one holds more. And of course you have to write your name. I'm writing mine here right now. Alright, have fun, and this is it. Have a nice weekend.